Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to delete your Facebook account. First, click the app, Facebook app, and log in. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to wait for you, and now I'm going to log in. Now, this is my Facebook page, and yeah. So now I'm going to click the three dots, scroll down, click Settings and Privacy. There you go. Settings. And now you're in Account Center. Now you're going to want to click that. Now scroll down till you find Personal Details. Great. Now you want to press Account Ownership and Control. Now you want to press Deactivation or Deletion. And now you're going to pick the Facebook one. Great. Now it's either deactivate for 30 days or delete permanently. We're going to pick permanently. Go on and click it, and then click Continue. Before you go, Facebook usually would like to know what was the reason for you leaving. It could be privacy concerns. You just don't feel like being on here, but we're going to click Facebook isn't useful. Click Continue. And next, they're going to ask you if you would like to save posts in your archive, download your Facebook information, transfer a copy of your information, but we're just going to press Continue. If you'd like to do any of that, just click one of those. Next, they're going to ask for your password. This is the last step before the last step. I'm going to put my password in, then I'm going to click Continue. Now, this is the step because my Instagram is connected to my Facebook. I would press Create Password, and then after that, it will ask you about your password, and then you'll put it in, and then your Facebook will be gone permanently. If this video helped you in any way, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.